A CDC vaccine panel is expected to meet today to issue recommendations on giving the Pfizer vaccine to kids from ages 12 to 15. And this is after the FDA authorized expanding the ages for the vaccine. Well, if the panel's new recommendations come out today, the shots could start being administered in clinics across the country as soon as tomorrow.
Well, hold the phone. Some local counties aren't waiting for the panel's recommendations. They've already started giving out the shots. That's what I hear anyway. Montgomery County and Bucks County. Let's talk to Commissioner Dr. Valerie Arkoosh. Doctor, are you just being a rebel and going ahead of everybody else?
Good morning, Mike and Alex.
Morning.
It's great to be back with you. Well, let me explain what's happening here. So first of all, on Monday, the Food and Drug Administration approved the use of the Pfizer vaccine for adolescents between age 12 and 15 under the emergency use authorization. And they found that it was safe, they found that it was effective, and they completely modified their language, which is the thing that has to happen from a legal standpoint in order for doctors to be able to prescribe their vaccine. So the committee that's meeting today, which is a highly regarded group, works as an advisory committee to the Food and Drug Administration. So while they make recommendations, they are not part of the requirement that a physician needs to administer the vaccine. So our medical director in our Office of Public Health took a look at all the information. We spoke with the Pennsylvania Department of Health, and we agreed that there was no reason not to proceed. And we did this because we had 300 families that had signed their children up to receive the vaccine yesterday, and we didn't want to turn them away.
Oh, okay. Now, are you going to get like a note or something from the CDC? What are you doing there in Montgomery County?
No, not at all.
Okay. Well, let's talk about the fact you said 300 people had already signed up and you wanted to get them their vaccine. We've been reporting that you guys ran out. There was that much interest. So talk about what that was like, all the people who were interested. And then are you having concerns then now, or once we expect to get the full approval, moving forward for all the folks who want to get vaccines?
No, we'll have plenty of vaccine. What happened yesterday is that we had enough vaccine for everyone that made an appointment. Okay. And as you know, Montgomery County is welcoming walk-ins at any of our sites. So the sites that have Pfizer did see quite a bit of interest yesterday. I didn't get the final numbers yet, but because we're also trying not to waste any doses, our team is very careful about how much of that Pfizer vaccine they defrost every morning. So I think that they just didn't have quite enough. We weren't sure how many people would want to get the vaccine yesterday, but we will be quickly ramping up, and I want people to know we have plenty of the Pfizer vaccine, so we look forward to vaccinating more adolescents. We found out from the census that in Montgomery County, we have about 48,500 adolescents between the age of 12 and 15. And by getting vaccinated, this is the quickest way to get back to normal, get our schools back to normal. And here's the really important thing, I think, for families to think about. If your adolescent is vaccinated and they're exposed to someone with COVID at school or on the playing field, they will not have to quarantine as long as they're not having symptoms.
Yeah. Well, it sounds like you got a lot of takers, which is not the case in some parts of the country and some parts of, well, the people watching the show, the Delaware Valley. And like you said, I don't know if we'll ever get to 70% and that herd immunity, maybe that goal is so lofty, I don't know. Hopefully we'll get there. Do you ever think about offering incentives for the people that are still hesitating? Like throw them a few bucks or give them a sandwich or something?
Or beer, as we've seen in our...
Yeah. Well, you know, Mike and Alex, I think we are going to get to 70%. At least here in Montgomery County, we're at 97% of our seniors over age 65 are either partially or fully vaccinated. And I haven't seen today's numbers yet, but a few days ago, we were at, I think, 66% of people 16 and up, partially or fully vaccinated. So I think we can get there. And we've done a lot of work here to make sure people understand that the FDA has determined that this is safe and effective. effective. And as you see, we're seeing a lot of interest in getting vaccinated here in Montgomery County. Why? Because people want their lives to get back to normal. And they know this is the quickest way to do it.
I dream of the day I don't have that mask. You know
Don't
what I
we
mean?
That's the thing. Even though we're opening up, we still have to have,
Still
our
have the
masks
mask. Yeah.
on, especially indoors.
I think we all want rid of that mask.
Doctor, are you an Eagles fan?
I am an Eagles fan.
Would you like to know who they're going to play first in September?
Do you know?
I do.
He knows, but he's not telling us, Dr.
Are you going to tell
Arkoosh.
me?
No. I got to wait.
Wow, that was really unfair.
It's really rude of me, too. I'll do it.
was.
I'll do it at 8 o'clock. So if you turn on your
right.
TV.
I'll stay tuned.
Thank you, doctor.
in.
Thank you.
Take care.